Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is Multi Select Dropdowns in Google Sheets. When working in Google Sheets, you may need to create dropdowns that have the ability to select more than one option. An example of this is listing out individual job duties for employees in a spreadsheet. Google has made this possible by adding a checkbox to allow multiple selections in the Insert Dropdowns property box. Let's look at how to add multiple selections to your dropdowns. Open an existing Google Sheet or create a new one. For this demonstration, I will be using an existing Google Sheet. Click the cell where you want to insert the dropdown. In the menu bar at the top, click Insert and then click Dropdown. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Data Validation Rules property box. Click the grid in the Apply to Range text box. On the Apply to Range pop-up, select the range of cells that you want to use the dropdowns in. And then click OK. In the Criteria section, enter your values to show in the dropdown lists. Once your choices are entered, click the checkbox to the left of Allow Multiple Selections. Click Done at the bottom of the Data Validation Rules property box. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.